guys, it's your girl Minnie. I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And today I am going to be cutting up these grass walls in four and like trying to checkerboard the wall. I was gonna do a Louis Vuitton grass wall, but then I just was over it. So basically my room is like a content room. I have an accent wall on each wall. My room consists of blue, black, white, pink, green. I'm gonna show you my walls right now. Pause. I'm gonna show you my accent walls right now. Alright, so this wall right here, a brick wall with a hole in the middle. Hey, yo, a brick wall with a hole in the middle, and it has my mini light, which is blue. Then I have this wall right here with the canvas art that says show me the money with the Monopoly man. And my mirror is here. And then this wall is the black and white stripes with the mannequin heads and my vanity area. Here I have my two speakers that are not set up, and I want to get new blinds because it's looking real dusty, like off-whitish. I need it to look white. Alright, so this wall, this is where I want to do the checkerboard. My wiring looks crazy. Then I have this clothing rack where like I have the outfits that I want to wear for the week or that I plan on wearing. And this is supposed to be the picture wall. I'm going to start ordering pictures. I'm going to take those down and do something else like picture frame wise. I think I just want it to be black frames, and yeah, I have to figure out what pictures I want up top. The three on top I want of me, and then everything else I want of the people that like I fucks with and that I love. Yeah, so those are my three walls. Pause. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so I got the two halves, and now I'm about to do another half. Yeah, sticking it to the wall and then putting the greenery up, it should be better. We getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. Yeah, so I'm definitely loving this. I did not think it would take long because it was squares, but it's kind of taking pretty long. Yeah, so I was thinking about getting like pink and blue vines and like spreading it out. Let me know what I should do, guys. I'm gonna have to go around this leverage right here, whatever this is called, because I need to take it out and I don't have a drill right now, so. No! Alright, so then I have this box right here that goes to the side of the wall. A box inside of a box. I was gonna break it. So I have this vase right here that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. I already opened this one. This is the thingamajig, whatever this is called. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like a butt plug.
Microphone?
A microphone? Okay, a microphone too, but it looked like a butt plug. No?
They're gonna ask how what you know about butt plugs.
So it goes in here.
And where?
Like that.
Oh, I thought you were showing some other part of your body.
Like this, like that. And then I got the feathers. I have blue, royal blue, pink, and light blue. So let's see how. Now that I put it together, I don't think that I like the colors the way it is. I think I'm going to stay with the light pink and the light blue. So I have to order the light pink ones. Daddy said, are you shooting a movie? This goes in the corner right here. The only thing is these clothes right here. But it's basically to film. Like, I can move it over. And once I have this, what's this? Oh. Yeah, so this is the one that I'm going to have here now. It's going to be up closer, up here. The cable box. I don't even know why I have cable anyway, because I usually be on YouTube Then I have this chair that goes here. I'm gonna fix the wiring later. I can do get ready with me's over here. And then this goes back over here. Yeah, but that's that right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.